Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to say the name of the inhabitants of Paris, France in French. How do you pronounce this word? For reference, in French, in France, it is said as Parisien, Parisien. So it would be fine if you want to try this and you cannot pronounce the French R. You can say Parisien, Parisien. Of course, this is French for what is known as Parisian in British English, or Parisian in American English. In French again, Parisien, Parisian. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Names of famous places in Paris and around France. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Merci.